Welcome to Model Fit's The Lean Body Blueprint. I'm Graham Thomas, an exercise physiologist and sport nutrition expert. And in today's lesson, we're going to cover the concept behind the power of four. Now, weight loss seems to be on everyone's mind. And if you just look out in the marketplace, we've got tons of products devoted to helping you lose weight. We've got tons of diet programs, books, information. But really all it seems that the more information we put out, the more confused everyone seems to become. Now, in order to really benefit from this program, I'm going to ask you guys to all do me a favor. I need you guys to forget everything you know about losing weight. Well, let me clarify that a little bit more. I need you to forget everything you think you know about losing weight. Now, let me explain why I'm going to say that. Well, over the last 40 years, the fitness industry has been telling you the same thing, that calories in have to equal calories out. And considering that's, fundamentally a property of physics, in that case, in order to lose weight, it's a simple matter of making sure that we intake or eat fewer calories than we expend through the course of the day and through exercise. And so basically, it should be a simple matter of math in order to produce weight loss. Now, the sad reality is we've been sending this information out to people over the last 30, 40 years, and how well is it working? Well, I'll let you guys be the judge. Now, I don't know about you, but when, an entire continent doubles their obesity rate over the span of about 35 years, this does not fill me with great levels of appreciation for the quality of this information. So what's really going on? Well, we have to ask ourselves, is it a lack of information that we have in North America? Kids even as young as 4 or 5 years old can tell you the difference between spinach and chips. If you were to ask a young child which one of these foods is healthier, 99 times out of 100, a young child will tell you, the vegetables are what we need to be eating. So where's the disconnect? We've got tons of information in North America, most of it free. Just go to Google or Wikipedia and you can type in strategies for weight loss and you'll get tons of things come out there. So we've got to ask ourselves, given that we have all this free access to high quality information, how is it possible that we still have such struggles with weight loss in North America? And that's really what the Lean Body Blueprint's all about. It's not designed to overwhelm you with just facts and details and things we want you to memorize. We've tried that for 40 years in North America, just spitting out more information at people, and it's not working. So what we're going to do is take a diametrically opposite approach. We need you guys to commit to doing. Obviously, we want to teach you certain things, but it's more about how much you do within this program, which is going to set you up for long-term success. So to keep it really simple for the first 2 weeks, here's the challenge in your diet. You're going to download the handout below. You're going to go through it, and you're going to find 4 go-to meals to serve as the foundation of your diet. Now, this isn't necessarily going to be all the things you eat for the next 60 days. We know that. But before we worry about finding meals that work for 60 days, let's worry about just finding 4 things that we like. If we had to repeat these each and every day, we should be able to think that, yeah, I like this enough to eat this repetitively over the next few weeks. So that means I want you to ignore your calorie count, your macronutrients. Hell, we're not even super obsessed about what happens on the scale. And I'm going to explain that in a follow-up lesson, why the scale sometimes isn't your best friend. So what I really want to hear a lot about in the forum and in your weekly logs is the following. I want to hear about what's happening to energy levels. What's going on with your hunger? Are there any digestive system issues? Because when these things start to change, it's starting to tell you that changes are happening internally. And when you have internal change, that's a biochemical change. Strong biochemical changes are great predictors for long-term success. And yeah, it sounds kind of hocus pocus science, yeah, who really gets it? Again, we'll get to all this as the course goes on, but for now we're going to keep it really simple. All I want you to do to really concentrate on for the next 2 weeks is finding 4 foundational meals from the ones we've provided you below. So that's it for today's lesson. Download the handout, and we'll see you in the forums.